Labbaik, Allahumma labbaik. Labbaik, what's the origin of this word? Now, this word is a little tricky because there are varying opinions on it, right? So some people think that it comes from the verb alabba or labba, which are both variants of the same verb, which means to remain in a place. For alabba bi makan, and he remained in a place, right? So that from that verb, then you have alabba bi ta'a, right? He remained in ta'a, right? He remained in obedience to God, right? And then you have the other group who would say that it comes from labba bit alif maksura, right? So you have labba ulabbi talbiya, which it means to answer somebody's call. To answer somebody's call. Somebody wants something and then you answer it. You go in order to answer it. That is talbiya, right? So talbiya, those two, both of them kind of, they kind of have the same meaning here, right? We are answering God's call, right? And if you think about it, then from there you have labban, right? Which is one call, okay? One call from that verb, right? And then you have from that laban, which would be two calls, like abawan, laban, abawan, two, right? So then when you say ulabbi labbaik, really what you're saying is ulabbi labain ithnain lak. I am answering two calls of yours. I am answering two calls, like labain, labbaik, like abawake, two parents of yours. Okay, so ulabbi labbaik ithnain, right? Two calls, meaning I'm going to answer your call right now, which is what I'm doing right now. And then once I'm done with this, I'm going to go on to the next one. So I'm constantly in your obedience, in that obedience towards you.